Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. This is enough for me. This tape, look at this. Absolutely just mangled. Mold, some alien substances, I don't know. But not only, I'm working through it right now, cleaning it, isopropyl, like just lots of sticky shed syndrome. So if you've got mold, that's one thing. But if you've got mold, you probably have sticky shed syndrome, which is basically the top and the bottom of the tape sticking together and it just sheds. So when you have this issue, you have to basically be like a DJ. And I'm going to take the tension here, flip it, and you've got to put it on full power. And then you have to manually kind of just keep the tension. I've got pads around there cleaning it, but this particular bit, you can hear the crunching. Listen. That's it, like tearing off. If I was to just let this go and just let it like pull on it, it's gonna strip. It's just gonna break. Like packing tape. You know when you're picking at packing tape and you get like the edge of it, and then this is what you have to do. This is pretty bad. It's not just like white mold. I don't know what this is, but once this is all transported onto here, I throw this away, and I've got, other spools to put it onto. Then the hard part begins. Everyone thinks this is the hurdle. No, this is just the beginning, because you then got to get these tapes to play with clear picture and audio. From beginning to end, you can't just, hit play, walk away. Occasionally you get unicorn tapes, but it's bad enough with healthy tapes now. Average age of videotapes over 35 years old. Shelf life 20 to 25 before problems arise. And yeah, and for all I know, this tape wasn't labeled. There's nothing written on it. And so it could be just an episode of Judge Judy for all I bloody well know. But, I tell people, I'm like, hey, throw it away. First of all, think about throwing it away. If it's priceless content, or if you want to take a chance, then go for it. But yeah, anyway, I've got the phone ringing here, so I gotta go. All right, bye.